Homepage messaging. It's a process that is usually pretty difficult because you always have a committee getting formed, and then everyone has something to say on the color, on the design, on the copy, on the messaging. And basically, you just spend a lot of time, a lot of back and forth for results that most of early stage startups don't test. Um, and basically, I think it's a big issue because then you just waste time trying to get the perfect results that will please everyone, but won't necessarily do the job for the prospect to make them realize that they need to learn more, they need to understand more, and they get the product basically. So I found a way of doing it pretty quickly. And the cool thing is you can do without my design skills, for example. And that's how you can do it. And before you ask, yes, it's a sweater and it's 24 in my office, but it's from Peru and I wanted to flex it for you guys. Okay, so first thing that I wanted to show you is an app called Gamma. And the thing is, I'm able to craft new homepage messaging with it very quickly with the messaging I already have. And the good thing is, I don't have to design anything. So we can get very quick different types of design that you can publish to your website really quickly without having to ask Gab the colorblind to figure it out with the colors and the design. So I like to use it with my clients. That way they get kind of a quick working version that we can then test with something else. So first thing I wanted to show you is the kind of template. So a headline, a supporting copy, a call to action. Then we have social proof, functional benefits and emotional benefits, clear problem and capabilities, features and functional benefits. So I took this right here. So this is some mix of key messages that I shared in another video that we kind of created together. And the goal right now is to really test them. So this is kind of like the structure I would like to follow with testimonials and final CTA. So I go into Gamma here, and I'm going to click to note. I'm going to click to create new with AI, and I'm going to select generate here, and I'm going to select website. So I really want to kind of showcase what a good website would look like, and then I'm going also to select basically describing what I want to make. So if I go back to my template, I have 8 elements here. So I want to make sure that I have 8 cards. And then I'm going to put sort of a cybersecurity startup according to this. And what I do is I copy paste the value prop that I have on my other document, and I click generate outline. So the first version is really showing us basically the first thing, and I want to showcase that it's the same here. So I'm going to have my headline, then I guess, what is this? I'll put social proof. Then I want functional benefits plus emotional benefits. Clear problem plus capability. And then feature plus functional benefits. Then process. So I'll change contact us for process, and I'll move it over the success stories. And the last one would be final CTA. So I'll change it for final CTA. Once I have that, I'm able to click to continue. And now it's giving me a bunch of things. So I'll probably shuffle some teams to find. Okay, I guess, again, design isn't my forte at all. So I almost want to take one. Okay, let's say this means cybersecurity. Click to generate. So it's creating the website in front of me. And now what I can do is I can ask AI to change a couple of things really quickly. So the good thing with that is we're able to really see the messaging that we worked on in real time without necessarily asking me to design anything. And for sure it's going to have some elements. So here I have the functional and emotional benefits. When I go back to the template that I had earlier, this is what we came with. So I can basically go back here and I can ask with AI, and I'll put, in that case, it would be maybe please focus the copy on this key message. And then I copy paste it. So you can see that this is a really very great and lucrative business model because it's with credit. You have to buy credit. So in that case, okay, I think this is a bit long, so I'll put make shorter, for example, and I'm using my credit that you can see. It's somewhere, I don't remember where, but there's a part when I can get credit. And here what I can do is I can share that with my client. We can kind of work together with the copy or copywriter, but we get like a general feel, and you can always kind of style it with a designer afterward. So I think in terms of execution, in terms of like working with a small committee, this is very good. I also did a second test here that I didn't share. um, but yeah, wanted to show you a little bit more of what you can do with Gamma.app. I think it's a very cool solution that can definitely make the homepage messaging less of a struggle for a lot of people. So yeah, after consideration, the sweater was not a good idea. But check Gamma.app on the web. They have a free plan. They have a bunch of credits you can have. I'm not affiliated with them, just love the product. And they also have a starter plan at like $10 a month, which is very affordable with everything you can do. And you have unlimited AI usage, I believe. So I think no more credit. So you can check it out. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you want more video like this. Thank you. Ciao.